It's in the black box. All right, guys, I love mail and love unboxing new products. And a company reached out to me recently telling me they had a new travel razor that they would be launching in their Amazon store. And they wanted to send it to me so I'd do a trial or a test video. So introducing, I'm gonna call this Evo, the Traveler, which is the travel sized one head rotary foil razor. I guess that's what this is. Now there are no directions, no instructions in the kit. So I was like, how do I get this started? It's flexible up top. It's got a foil cover here, but it's got a rotary mechanism inside. Undo it. You see that? And looking on the underside, it's got its little charge connector there and the power button. It turns on. Very interesting. Hold it down and it powers off. So I'm gonna play around with this before I do a proper shave, and I just wanted to show you guys this product. Also in the kit, or the box, you have a little charging cable and a travel pouch. A little travel pouch and brush. So when you're out and about, you can pop that in, throw your little brush inside, and you're all set and ready to go. I want to thank the folks at Evo for sending this unit out to me. And like I said, I'll do a proper shave at some point soon, and we'll run it through its paces. And we'll do a proper shave sometime soon, because I've decided, and thanks to all your comments and votes, I've decided to give the full beard a shot for the next month or so, if I can cultivate the beard. We'll be giving the full beard a shot, guys. And I want to send a shout out to Jay Sizzle, who really pushed me in the direction of the beard, because he reminded me at some point last year, I said that 2020 would be the year of the beard. So maybe I'll give it a shot. And hey, if I don't like it, at least it'll make the shaving videos a little bit more punchy, right? You get to see more hair coming off. I'm excited to be using the beard products from King C. Gillette. This beard wash here, guys, just sublime, very nice. The Cremo products, I'll be starting beard and face wash with softeners in them. Back to the boar's hair, beard brush, the sandalwood beard comb that I really got into. Great smell of sandalwood. And just a host of products to help maintain the beard, fight the itch. So guys, feel free if you have any tips or suggestions about how to grow the beard, how to style the beard. I'd love to hear it. All right, so since I've decided, thanks to Jay Sizzle, since I've decided to let the beard grow out, I'm gonna put down a solid foundation to help me with beard itch. And I'll do that right now. I'm gonna use Cremo's Beard and Scruff Cream here. For shorter hair, like your stubble, this just helps calm the itch, helps the beard grow in. And for longer beards, it keeps that itch away, it keeps the beard tamed, but it also helps you style the beard. It's a cream you can use daily. And here for day one, I'll apply it. But I get the party started right. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and rub it right into the whiskers. Oh, this is the mint blend, guys. It's just really, really nice. Oh, yeah. Feels good. I'm applying a generous amount here for day one. And I'll come back in a couple of days and I'll do a neck cleanup and show you some other products for your beard. Ah, that's good. Smelling good, feeling good. Starting to combat the itch early. What I will say, for my first real attempt of growing a long goatee, guys, when I did trim it down. So once you get that first layer off, and if you've been using these products, if you've been combing or brushing your beard, and you take that first layer of hair off, you have the softest and just most luxurious beard under that first layer of hair at the end that gets a lot of contact, gets a lot of abuse. You cut that layer off, those frayed ends, and you just have this beautiful, soft, luxurious hair. And that's what I'm going for. I'm going for a nice, neat beard, mid-level growth. I don't want like a ZZ top. I want to have a little bit of growth, a little bit of heft. I want to have a little bit of thickness, but I want it to be well managed, well manicured, and we'll see what happens. So stick with me, guys, for my beard experimentation. Again, I thank each and every one of you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow or the next day. In the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Read the back again. It says peace, love, and pizza. Oh, whoa.
Stop videoing.
Stop videoing you? Stop videoing me. There you go. There she is in her Laguna Pro. We're out riding bikes.
I love you, Dad.
Peace, love, and pizza. You gotta love that. You gotta love a little peace, love, and some pizza. There she is. Peace, love, and pizza. All right, I'll take care of the bikes.
Thank you for watching my video.
Good job. High five. All right, there you go.